Alright, so today we need to create the VM code for, let me check, for arrays. Yeah, so let's skip to that portion directly. Arrays. Handling arrays, array construction, and array manipulation. Alright, so let's see. And this is the syntax for creating an array. Variable type array let arr is equal to array.new. Generates no code, only affects the symbol table. Okay, which we have already taken care of. Am I audible or not? Yeah, I think it is fine. Let's continue. So, but this code will generate the VM code. Let array is equal to array.new from the caller's perspective, handle exactly like object construction. Oh, all right. That means array.new will return the base address of the array. Base address as in the local 0, not local 0 but 0th index address, I guess. Right? Yeah, so if this is an array, it will return this 0th index address 8054 and it will assign it into this variable. Okay, that's fine. Wait, what? That was it? Nothing else needs to happen? Handle exactly like object constructions. That means what? Wait up. What the heck? Why is this not working? It's stuck. Oh hell. Do I need to open it up? My god. The terminator is not the terminator. The terminal is stuck. Oh, don't tell me I need to close all of it. Oh no shit. Yeah, at least other windows are alright. Let's check this one. Yeah, this is working fine. Oh, this one. Okay, so I think the Vim is stuck. Okay, we don't have any other choice. We need to crash this Vim. Yeah, let's open Vim again. CD Nand2Tetris. What the? CD Nand2Tetris projects and check compiler. Let's hope it won't get stuck again. Wait, what? Oh, that's because of the swap files. Right. Oh no, wait. This should be on the top. So let's do that. Oh, what? Swap window dash s1 dash t2. Let's see if it worked or not. Yeah, I think it worked. Okay, then let's continue. Okay, I was going to check compile constructor. Let's find the constructor keyword. Wait, what? Constructor? There's no constructor? How is it possible? Ah, yeah, we are inside analyzer. Constructor is here. So let's see. Compile class variable declaration. It says here that array from caller's perspective, it is handled exactly like the object construction. So I'm trying to check what we did in the object construction. So object construction happened when we call the constructor method. So let's see, where's the code? That's the code for constructor. Subroutine body. This is parameter list. Yeah, that's the subroutine body. Alright, we'll first write the function. And if the subroutine type is constructor, what do? We first push constant the field of number of field variables, memory alloc, and pointer. Okay, so I think we need to do the same thing with array. Am I right? No. This is the object construction from the callee's perspective, right? So it says here that array construction from the caller's perspective is similar to object construction. That means caller's perspective is inside compile let method. Yeah, that's here. But where's the code exactly? Wait a minute. We don't need to do anything else, I think, because array.new. Wait a minute, let me open up the grammar. Alright, so I was saying, yeah, let's open up the grammar. Where is the grammar? Yeah, it's here. Yeah, let statement variable expression. Yeah, the expression part. So in the expression part, it is just a basic subroutine call for the creation of array as well. So it will be of the type this class name dot subroutine name, right? Yeah, class name is array, subroutine name is new, and n is the parameter to subroutine name, which is in the expression list, right? So let's see, it should be in the term. Where's the term? That is the subroutine call. That's here. This is the call. All right. Wait a minute. Shouldn't this be plus equal to? I think it should be plus equal to. And check and args. Wait, I think I changed that code. Wait, what? How is this possible? Oh yeah, right. This is here we changed it, but we didn't change it. And args is inside compile expression list. We increment it here and return the args. And in the compile term, we get args incremented here. Wait, what's this one then? What the? Which it is compiled to statement. Okay. Oh, I see what happened. So in the compile expression only we did this, but we didn't change it in the yeah, so subroutine calls are part of two things. Wait, it can be part. Oh, it can be a part of do statement, or a subroutine call can be part of term as well. So we change the thing in the do statement, but not in the subroutine, in the term itself. All right. Yep. I'm glad we caught it. This would have been about later on, but good we caught it now. Right, so let's continue. Alright, so that means we have handled the array from the caller's perspective. Okay. What does this say? Two portable virtual memory set that can be aligned to different. Yeah, alright. This point pop pointer 0 sets this, pop pointer 1 sets that. Okay, yeah, pop pointer 1 sets that. RAM access using that. Ooh, wait up. Push 8056. Pop pointer 1, push 17, pop. What does this code do? It pushes the address on the stack, then pops it into the that pointer 1, which sets that pointer, and after that pushes 17 and pop it into that 0. Okay, this is another way. Not again. Unless it keeps on giving me this error. Here push R, which is the address, base address, push to offset, edit up, and pop it into pointer 1. Oh, alright. Push and import. I get this thing, but it doesn't work for this kind of expression. So what we need to do is we need to handle it like this. Push A, push I, add, pop it into pointer 1, push B, push J, add. Wait, what? Oh yeah, alright, I got it. This is the code according to this, but it doesn't work, right? So this is the correct code, VM code. Push A, push I, add, push B, push J, add, pop it into pointer 1, which sets that. What does this do? Push that 0. Wait a minute. Ah yeah, push that 0. What is that 0? Oh, the value of DJ. I get it. And pop it into temp 0. Then pop pointer 1. Wait, why do we need this pop temp 0? Don't get it. Okay, pop pointer 1. Oh, okay, because we need this thing, this address. That's why we pop it into temp, so that we can access this pop pointer 1. Now push temp 0 and pop it into that 0. Okay, I get it. Array access general solution for generating array access code. Wait, that was it? This is the way we handle. Oh, okay, I see. I mean, the array construction is taken care of by the, what is it, the OS code itself. So it just returns us the base address. Nice. So this is the only thing that we need to worry about. So I think this won't be as much complicated as I thought. Okay, it will be part of compile let statement, I think. Yep. And let's check the grammar. So it will be when variable and this thing. Oh, what happened? Why can't I get out of this thing? Holy. How do I get out of this highlighting shit? Okay, great. So array is equal to false, but if the next token is this, that means the array. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, array is equal to true. So what do we need to do exactly? After that, if not array, we do these things. Wait, why only when not array? What if it is an array? Don't do this, all of these things. Oh, I see. Wait a minute. What is this return? Segment. An index. It's the name token. Oh, I get it. Okay. So what if it is an array? What should we do in that case? Push array. Oh, I get it. First, we need to push the base address of the array, right? All right. Yep. So I need to push it before we call this self dot compile expression. So it will be around, yeah, somewhere, I guess. Okay, where's the address anyway? Name token, right? So how do we get how do we know where it is? I mean, this array can be either be a static. What the oh man, I think my internet connection is going down. Let me check. Shit, the upload speed is not enough. I think the stream might be lagging right now. Let me check. Yeah, I think it is lagging. Is it lagging? I don't think so. Fuck it. Let's just continue. So, right. So, this array variable can either be a static variable, a field, an argument, or a local, right? It can be either of these things. So, this code is relevant. Wait, but this is pop. Oh, okay. Yeah, but oh, we don't need to pop it. We need to push it. So we still need this code, right? But it is just that it will be push, not pop. I think. Yeah. It should be here. Yeah, so what we do here is first we get the segment, and you know what, we're getting the segment, we want the segment here anyway. Why get it twice? Let's just, oh, what did I do? Wait a minute, I'll be back. Mm. Yeah, we don't need to. Shit, it got stuck again. No. Oh, no. If this keeps happening, how the fuck am I going to complete this? And this time even we'll lose the editing. Oh, let's see if there is a way to bin tabs got stuck in allow creative. This is really super buggy. What the fuck? There's no joy in alacrity. Wait, is it because of the... I don't know. Yeah, why we miss frozen? Oh, is it because of Control S? Control Q. Fuck. So that was the issue. Thank God I found this. That means I need to change the keyboard shortcuts in the OBS. Yeah, I'll do it later on, but let's focus on this thing right now. You can disable it with this. Okay, I think I need to bookmark this. I will check it out later. Let's continue. So, where was I? This needs to be deleted. And this will be deleted from here and paste. Let's paste it. I don't know, let's just paste it here. Name token, yeah. Oh, wait a minute. Is it the correct place? Yeah, I think so, because the variable is already defined in the simple table, because this is where we are going to use the name. So yeah, we can access it here. And while we are at it, let me delete this print. Let's just comment it. What else? I think there was something else needed to be done. I think this is it. Yeah, so let's see if segment is equal to static. Okay, in this case, not pop but push. We'll get the index as well, right? Yeah, I think so. Pop to push. No, abort. I need to change. I forgot the code. Dot star. Let me search it out. Bin, find and replace. Search range, yeah. Dot and plus 7. Nice. Yes. This is exactly what we needed. Whoa. I think my system is, I don't know, buggy right now. When the Chrome browser is not working, that should be not the Chrome, this browser. Brave. Okay, that's it. Right push. If the token is this, that means we have an array. In that case, what we do is, if we check the segment, if it is static, we push the static and the index. Okay, this thing is correct, I think. So we did the first code, push A. Now push I. Oh, all right. We can do it after self-expression part only. Wait, but when we call the self-expression, it will push the I on top of the stack anyway, right? Yeah, I think so. So all we need to do now is just call add. Am I right? Yep. After this, wait, what the hell is happening? Write VM code for pushing index of a index I for when where let a I equal to bj. Yeah, so write the codes. Right, do we need to write? Yeah, we don't need to write the call for using it. We need to write the code for adding it. So write the VM code for adding adding a not a and index I. Yeah, this is correct. Self dot vmw dot write arithmetic. Should it be? Check. Yeah, it should be in the lowercase later. Okay, or after this thing, we need to move to this expression part. So this will push B on top of the stack, and now we need to push I. Oh, wait a minute, even the expression can be of this kind, an array, but it needs to be taken care of in the expression, compile expression itself, right? Yeah, so let's move to compile expression. If the expression is an array, like this thing. Wait, the expression can be an array in if statement as well, right? Ooh. Yes. In that case, what will happen? We need to do this step. Let B push J add pop pointer 1, push that to 0, right? Yeah, this steps needs to happen in that case. So let's do that. Okay. Terms variable name. Okay, right here, it's this thing over here. Then it will be an array, right? So we need to do the steps here. What needs to happen here? Push B, push this, add it up, pop pointer 1, push that 0. Yeah, that's what we need to do. So let's check. We need a variable name, right? Where is the variable name? It is here in the terms token. You know what? Let me do this. Term is equal to token so that we can use it. Now we can use it here. Self dot vmw dot write push. Oh wait a fucking minute. We need the segment, right? Segment. And how can we obtain the segments? Yeah, so these 2 lines of code. That is assuming that it will be in the symbol table, of course, because the variable is being used, right? So, but in this case, it is not name token, it is just term. Get the segment and the index. So wait, I pass the segment like this, right? Oh no, I need to do this thing. So let's copy this. Wait, I need to push, right? Yeah. Let's yank this and paste it here. So if the segment is static, it will do this thing. Build our local. Yeah. Now after that, so this will push B, and now we need to push J, which will happen here in this compile expression part, right? And after that, we need to write VM code to add B and J, where B and J as in let I don't know, like this. Right, so dot vmw dot write arithmetic am I live? Okay, so after that write add, we need to pop pointer 0. We'll do that here only. Let's also write the comment. Write VM code to set that pointer to bj, right? Self dot vmw dot write pop. The segment is pointer and index 1. Right, after that we need to push that value on the stack. Write VM code to push bj value on the stack. Right, self dot vmw dot write push that 0. What's this one? Pop temp 0. Should we do that? Yeah. No. I think this is enough for this part of the code. Now we need to move to compile let statement, because when the variable name and when the array x appears in other kind of statements like in if or while, we need the value on top of the stack, right? We don't need to pop it. We need to pop it when only in the let statement case. So we'll do that here in the let. So after the after equal to, when we call self.compile expression, we are assuming then it is given here. What the hell? The general solution is given here. I should have looked at it earlier. It doesn't matter, we were working on the same thing, along the same path. Push air, yep, that's what we did. VM code for computing and pushing the value of expression, which will happen here. After that we call add, and VM code for computing and the pushing of value of expression, which happened. And now we need to pop temp 0, pop pointer 1, push temp 0, pop get 0. This thing should happen now. So it should happen here. Yeah, let's do it here. Else. You know what? The else part, and let's change this to add. Right. This is much better. So now we can do self dot vm w dot write pop temp 0, which will pop the value of the expression. Wait a minute. Yeah, right. Wait a minute. What's this thing? Oh, okay, I get it. Yeah, this is not right. Self dot vmw dot write pop again. We need pop again. Why is that? To set pointer. What's this pop for? Yeah, it will set a this thing. Push the temp 0. Pop that's 0. Wait, now let me recheck. Is this correct? Doesn't have anything to do with this, right? Yeah, right. Yeah, this is correct. So with that, have we handled all the cases where this array appears? So let me recheck. Array appears in the term, right? Only in the term, not elsewhere, right? Yeah, array appears only in the term and let statement. We have taken care of both of this thing. So with that, we can conclude that this will work. I mean, we can't conclude it yet. We need to test it, but yeah. So now what do we need to do? We have written the code for array manipulation. Let me check. Do we have other points to take care of? I don't think so. Let's just try to test it on different programs. So all of these programs didn't have array, but this one average does contain array and string. Alright, so we did take care of the array part, but not the strings, I think. Right. we still haven't written the code for strings. Doesn't matter, let's just try to test the array first of all, and then we'll write the code for strings. All right, so now let's do that. Check analyzer 11 average. Oh, it just contains a single check file. Okay, it doesn't matter. So now we have got the code. Main dot yeah, let's open this up, and let's also open. Let's first go in the Nand2Tetris projects 11 average plus main dot check. Okay. Okay, this is the whole of the program. Let's not paste anything else. Okay, let's see. Main is called with 4. Why 4? Because we have 1, 2, and 3, 4 local variables, right? What about this? Okay, local 1, push local 1, call array.new length, pop into local 0, which is a, push constant 0, pop it into local 2, which is I. This is all the while loop thing. Let's test the array program. It is here. So first we pop temp 0. Wait a minute. What is this code for? Yeah, it's this one. First we push local 0, which is a, then we push local 2, I, add it up, right. Is this correct? I think it is correct. We call okay, wait up. This is not really an argument, is it? I don't think so. This is an argument. Yeah, of course it is not an argument. This one is for this keyword keyboard thing, right? Not right. Yeah, I think in this case, or maybe it is right, but yeah, we are not writing this string on top of the stack, so that's where it won't work, and that's what we need to push before we call this keyboard. We'll take care of it later on. We pop this value in the temp 0, All right, we pop pointer 1, pop the value, so which is this one, into pointer 1. We push temp 0, pop it into that 0. Great. So the array code is working as it should, I think. And from this point starts this thing, I think. So first it does this, push local 3. What is local 3? 0, 1, 2, 3. Right? I think it is sum, referring to sum. Then it pushes local 0. Wait, why do we have it twice? This is not correct. Not correct at all. Let me recheck what is local 1. One is length. The index starts from 0, right? So 0, 1, 2, 3. Sum is the third one. Length is 1, right? So in this case, let me check what is happening. Pop push temp 0 and pop temp 0, pop that 0. These are the last statement code for array access. So from here point onwards, this new expression starts. So what should be the code ideally? First it should, I mean, this is not an array, right? That means it should first do the evaluation of these things. So first it pushes local 0, which is sum. After that it tries to do this. So what it will do, push B, it should do push B. I mean, in this case it should push A, so local 0, right? Wait a minute, why is it pushing local 0 again? It should push local 1 in this case, which is I. No, local 2, it is local 3. So we push 2, push 0 twice. After that we push 2, we add it up, pop pointer 1, push that 0. Wait, something is not right. Something is definitely not right. Let me check. The bug is definitely in this part of the code. Maybe it is correct, I don't know, but let's just see. First we get the term. What will be the term in this case? A, right? Oh, I see. The term is an identifier, right? So it will go inside this loop, this condition. It is an identifier. If kind token and token, number of arguments. Wait, what is this thing? Oh, okay, irrelevant. It will go here, so it will push it, right? What that means is we don't need to push this name again, right? Because it's already been taken care of here. Yeah, this is exactly this thing. Yeah, so let's test it out. I need to comment this part up to this thing. Do we need anything after this part? I don't think so. Let's comment this, and yeah, we won't be needing it, so let's try to get the new compile program now. Okay, so this is the new program, and let's test it now. Wait a minute, where's the code? Yeah, it's here. And we didn't got it earlier because array appears in the expression part in this line only, not in this line. That's why. Right, so I think it should be correct now. What we do is first push local 0, which is sum, then we push 0, which is a, and we push I, which is 2, local 2. We add a and I, so we basically do these three things up to add. After that we pop pointer 1, pop the value in the pointer 1 and push that 0. So now we should have the value of AI on top of the stack. So we do add, so it will add local 3s and this part will have the value, and after that we pop it into the local 3, which is sum. Nice. And this is the usual thing, don't need to worry about it. Right, so it is working as it should be, hopefully. And what other programs do we have? Yeah, so before we move on, let's start test strings, shall we? Not test, we need to write it. We need to write the code for strings. So now how do we handle the strings and where do they appear, and in the, I mean, they are part of their terms, right? Strings are part of identifier, I think. I don't know, wait up. Identifier. What is an identifier? Yeah, a sequence of letter digits and the scope. Not, wait, it is a string constant. Here we go again. I will be back in a minute. Okay. Alright, so I was saying that a string constant. It's not an identifier. So where does the string constant appear? In the expression, and in that also in the term part. So how do we, where is the string constant? Okay, this here. So how do we handle the string constants? How are we handling right now? Are we even handling them? Nope, I think we are not. I don't even know how the token for that will be printed. Let me check. Where is the string constant? Should be somewhere around here. Or didn't come across any string constant. How is that possible? Okay, it should be here. Look, identifier, symbol, keyboard, dot, middle yeah, expression list. Oh, it is here. And oh, it is without the quotes. Right? Do we need it without the quotes or with the quotes? Wait, they don't say how to handle the strings. Let me check. Not again. My system is definitely lagging. Let me check. What is taking up the memory space? I have the usual things opened. I don't know why it is lagging this much. Oh, is it OBS that is taking that much memory? I think. Yeah, it must be OBS. Is it because I added a new scene? That might be the problem, I don't know. That's what I did in the OBS today. Yeah, I'll get back to... okay. See? When the windows get closed after 2-3 seconds. This kind of speed is unbearable. fuck, I hate this kind of speed. Oh, okay. String constants are created using the voice constructor string.new length. What do you mean constants are created? When are we creating the strings? What the hell is this? Wait, I don't get this part. Constant created using string.new. What is the length in this case? I don't get this part. When are we even creating the string constant? This is insane. Oh, yeah. What we can do is let's try to compile the program by ourselves using the compiler provided by the instructor. That way we will know what exactly needs to be done. Not inside the projects tools. Get compiler projects 11 average. Yes, please compile it. Let's not touch the output. Oh, this is what needs to be happening. What is that? 18 in this case? Why is it happening just here? Oh, because of this part. We push constant 18 string. Okay, so the 18 is, I think, the length of the string, right? Let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know what? Let's count it this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Yeah, exactly. This will create the new string. And we push constant 72. What for? Oh, append character y2. Oh, the first one is this part. It needs 2 argument. Oh, wait up. For that we need to check the API of jacos. Where is it? jacos API. string new max length, constructs a new empty string with a maximum length. Append character. Oh, wait a minute. Append character needs only this is bullshit. Why should there be a 2 here? I don't get it. It should be 1, isn't it? Because we only have one variable, one argument. Why are we pushing 2? Or is it that we need this variable, the return address of this, that they are not mentioning it anywhere else here? I mean, string.append character is a static. You know what? You just do it as it says. Alright, so we'll call string.append character. Yeah, but we need the key code for particular character. Alright, how do we get the key code? How can we retrieve this key code? Push constant 72. So in this case capital H is 72. But, how do we get it? Do they provide any particular method for that? Character int value. Oh, is this the method that we should use? Returns an integer value of the string until a non-digit character is detected. No, I don't think so. How the hell are we supposed to get this value? Don't tell me that I need to write if-else conditions. Let me check. Fuck. This is crazy. How the hell am I supposed to handle these characters? Do they say anything here? Yep, they don't specify anything here. We need to figure it out ourselves, it seems. Is this the ASCII code? So this is capital H O W 32 is space M is 109. Right, these are the key codes, I think, as per wait a minute. don't think we have anything else in this slide. This is insane. What the hell? How the hell am I supposed to handle? I need to check the previous slides. By previous slides, I mean the assembler slides. Where was it? I think that it was in the machine learning slide. Machine language. Let me check. Nope, I don't think it is here. Or maybe it is here. Oh yeah, screen. Where's the input keyboard? The scan code of K is 75. Yeah, these are the scan codes. So let's see. Space. Where is space? Is 32. Alright, yeah. So they are mapped according to these things. Okay, I get it. Capital H O W space. This is M and A is 97, right? It is 97. Yep. Okay. So what does that mean? Do I need to create a mapping like this, or do they provide an API for that? But in the I think we need to create the mapping ourselves. Where is the mapping? Is this here? No way I'm going to do this. It's just so tedious. Is there any other way Think about it. Hi Data Dave, welcome to the stream. What's up, man? For appending a character and more typical. Wait, what? Feature methods for getting and setting individual characters of the string. Getting and setting. Character. What does it return? You have a good news. Yay. Tell me about it. I got a state com. Oh, that's really nice. Were you giving any government exams or something? Clerkship. So you passed an exam or something? Congratulations, man. It's really nice. Documents are now being verified. Oh, nice. In your state only, right? In Jammu Kashmir. Oh, it's a state government job, right? So do you have to relocate or is it in your city only? It will take 3 to 6 months. I mean, it's all right. I mean, in 3 to 6 months, the COVID will be, destabilized as well. UT. What is UT? What does this do? Returns the integer value of the string. You know what? Let's check the compiler notes. The OS. String. Whoa, the OS is written in VM code. Union territory. Which union territory? I mean, is Jammu Kashmir a union territory? It is, right? Well, nice. It's really nice. Still, do you have to relocate somewhere, like in another city, or is it in your city? Right. So that's really nice. Congratulations again. पार्टी तो बनती है. Yeah. So for that I need to come to Jammu Kashmir, right? Erase last crypto. Yeah, sure. Sure. Yeah, I don't. It will be all right. Really nervous. I mean, you got the you passed it, so it doesn't matter, right? What else can happen? And you have got the job, right? Nothing can happen now. The rank in this case. Oh. And how many people apply? It must be in thousands, right? Mostly in thousands, I guess. Oh. And you have a pretty good rank then. 15,000. That's too much. And it means you are definitely nailed it. Oh, 1,50,000. 8,575 a post. Wow. So how much it is it? Not even 1%, right? 1,50,000. How much? 8,575 0 divided by 1,50,000. Only 5% get selected. That means My system is lagging a lot today. I don't know why. I think there's no other choice. I need to create this mapping table. Yeah, there seems to be no other choice. Let's do. Let's come create our own mapping. Self dot character set. It has to be a dictionary, right? Yep. After that, what? Do I need to manually enter? And I can loop through A, B, C, D, E, F, G, right? How to loop the alpha bets in Python. I don't know what I'm doing. How to iterate through alphabet. Oh, no, I can just copy this alphabets. Let's copy it and let's create a method. We'll call it init character set. Dot 3 as remove new line with space. Backward range given. Yes. No, that's not what I meant. What the fuck do you mean backward range? Oh, I know. Yes. Yes. Yep. Wait, what did it do? I told it to replace new lines with space. You know what? So this will be letters. Now what we can do is let's check the character stat. We can loop through letters. Wait. Yeah. Loop through letters, and let's also get the, I don't know, just characters as well. We have taken, so we took care of the capital letters and the small letters, and now we need to take care of this things. Let's create arrays for the same. Sim1 equal to this characters. You can copy it like this. Nice. Let's see what happens. Okay, great. So you know what I will do? This will be, I will just assign all of these things to the character set directly. So let's see. Self dot character set space. Can I have a space as a key? I don't know. I think I can. I don't know if this is the right way. Okay, now remove all the spaces. Is it S or I think it is S. Space in wing replace multiple space. Oh, okay. Place and plus one or more spaces with nothing. Nope, skip this. Yep, 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 yep. That's it. Same one. Okay, we have got all the symbols. Now this symbols. Now let's get this symbols. Should we get this? Yeah, let's just get them. replace new line character and spaces in Vim. Seems I'm not learning how to build a compiler, I'm learning how to use Vim. I will just manually append this rest of this. Maybe not. Whoops, this is messed up. Oh, wait a minute. This quote, we have a single and double quotes, right? What have we had here? Where's quote? Where's the freaking code? There's no code here. This should be a double quote. Hash dollar percentage and this is a single quote. Let's escape it. Okay, probably correct now. This will be symbol free, and for the final symbol it's just better to manually write them out. Okay, so now we need to add all of this to the character set dictionary. We should call init character set before we call compile class. Okay, let's now append these values to the character set. So for L in letters self dot character set append L equal to let's just keep it simple. Wait, how can we get the index of in the for loop? I forgot. What did I close? Nothing. How to get index in for loop? Enumerate, yeah. This is one way. Maybe. Let's just use enumerate. Enumerate. I don't know how it is pronounced. Enumerate, maybe. IL. Self dot character set L, and let me check. In this case For the letters, wait, this is for the small letters first. Let's append the small character and the large character simultaneously, shall we? You know what we need? Small L equal to, it starts with at 65, no, 97. Large letters at 65. Sim1 starts at 32. Sim2 starts at, what is Sim2? Yeah, it starts at 58. Sim3 starts at 91 and Sim4 starts at 123. And now what we can do, right, we need the integer or the string values. Yeah, it's probably better to store it as a string. So let's see, str of L, no, not L, this will be for small letters, right? So sml plus I, and we can append the larger letters simultaneously as well. Upper yeah. Now for sim1, for sim1 wait, this is not correct. Cool. Yeah, much better. Sim1 C plus I, right? Yep, they are in the correct order, right? But what will happen for space character? I don't know. I mean, let me check how to add a space character as a key in a dictionary in a Python. In Python, no, not spaces in Python dictionary. I mean space as a value. DuckDuckGo is shitty. Never gives me correct answers. think we probably can't do this. Let me how to check for space character in Python. Okay, even for new line, it will return. Yeah, it doesn't matter because we don't even have a new line. So instead of space, let me SP. Whoa, what happened? SP. Yeah, much better. Shit. This will work probably. Now sim 2 you know what, let's just create an nested loop for s in range 0 1 2 3 4 starts with 1 0 1 1 2 3 4. I need to check what this will do. For s in range 1 2 5 print s 1 2 3 4. Yeah, this is what I need. Nah. Yes. No, this won't work. Okay, let's see. 1, this will be 2, should we oh, okay, so this will add all the symbols and letters and their corresponding numeric codes in the character set, hopefully. You know what, let's try to test it out after we are done with initting for. Let's print all the symbol tables. I need to check. Damn. My PC is lagging a hell lot today. I don't know why. How to print E and values in text. Okay, P in self dot care set dot items yeah, right. Print K and E. Okay, let's test this program. It probably won't work. Yeah, it doesn't work at all. No such file. Oh fuck, of course. Let me check. A 97 starts with 97, capital A starts with 65, and Z small z 120. Wait, what? This should be 122 and this should be 90. What happened? Oh, are we skipping anything? A starts with 97. Ninety-seven, 98. Are we skipping any character? Do we have all the characters? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Oh wait, where's J? There's no J. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X. And you know what? I don't really like this quotes. Let's replace all of them with single quotes. Okay, I think we should have the correct output now. Z122, capital Z90. Yeah, correct. Now let's see, SP32 to 46. Wait, where is this one? 47. Where isn't it? Whoa. Oh, I get it. This one is added twice. Why do we have it twice in the character set? This is insane. Is it really a backslash? No, this is a forward slash. I don't know. This is wrong. There can't be two ports for the same character. I think this is probably backward slash. But this is incorrect. Let's just keep it as it is. I don't. I mean, do we have any? You know what we can do? Let's edit this and check. Vim. Let's add a forward slash and a backward slash and see what is printed. Mm, 47. Oh, wait up. So it only printed 47 just for the forward slash, but not for the backward slash. Why? Because we don't even have the backward slash. That is why. What about this 92 then? What is it for? At least we know that forward slash is 47. Now we don't have the character for the backward slash, it seems. Or do we? I don't know. Let me check. Main.j. This is for H, capital H O W space character backward slash. There's a space character again. 109. What is it for? 109 is for M, I think. Yeah, it is M. So the space is this one. And 47 is the forward slash. Right. So let's just grab this one and move on. Forward slash should be here, but not here. Okay, great. Nice, let's see. 47, right? After that, 58 up to 64, 91 up to... what about the quotes? Do we have the quotes? Yeah, we have a single quote. Single quote 39, double quote 34. Yeah, right. What's this one? Is it a period or a comma? Yeah, it's a period. Okay. Nice. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. This one, this needs to be 93, 94. Okay, so they are in incorrect order because we removed that one. Right, so instead of this, let's garbage. No, we can't just write G. Let's write GB. We'll be back in a minute. Okay, let's not delete this code right now. Let's keep it. We'll delete it later on. So now that we have the characters or the character set, let's now move to the code to write the string constants, right? So let me compile this. Function main code. Okay, after that we push constant 20. Okay, that's so. Wait, let me change this back as it was. Okay. Right, I need to recompile it. Push constant 18, that is the length. And yeah, so when we come across a string constant, we first need the length of the string constant, and after that we need to call string.new, right, and append all of this stuff. Let's see, compile. So we will have the string constant only in this case. Token is string constant elif self dot tkz dot token type. Okay, but what will be the token type? Where is token table, tokenizer? Let's go in the tokenizer. String constant. Wait up, they are not. You know what? Main dot Yeah, I know. This is an invalid syntax. String constant. Yeah, right. But I don't think. Let's see if this works or not. Fucking string. Okay, let's see if this works or not. Oh, nice. We got it. A freaking string. That means this is working. Nice to know that. So now what should we do if it is a string constant? Is this the place where we should do something? Yeah, definitely. Let me check. First we should push the length of the strings. Okay, so let's get the length of that string, which will be in the, I mean, we have the token in the term, right? So let's just get the length of the string, print the length of the string. Print length of term. Length is I don't know if I can do it like this. Wait. Oh, it counts the quotes as well, right? Okay. Not bad. Str length equal to length of term minus 2. Right, so this will give the string length. Now we need to do self dot vmw dot write push. Segment is constant and the value is str. Right. Yeah, it can be an integer, right? We don't need to pass. I don't know. What? right push. Yeah, I mean, whatever pass, we are just going to just display it like this, so it doesn't matter. After that, we call string.new with one self dot vmw dot write call string dot new okay. After that, we need to get the characters one by one. So now that we know the length of the characters, we can do a for loop. For ch in term 1 to -1, because I don't want the ports. This is how it works, right? Let me check. T is equal to such T1 -1. Okay, it gets rid of the first and last character. Yeah, this is what I need. Okay, 3 hours done. Yeah, I mean, when I'm in flow state, I can just keep on going, but sometimes everyone, I have a hard time even starting up. When I'm in a flow, I can work on hours or end. Flow book, yeah, Mihai Csikszentmihalyi. That's the name of that author. Have you read it? Alright, so for watch it test, yeah, I also watched this TED talk. I mean, even I haven't read the whole book. I mean, I have read the first, no, not the whole book. I have read the few chapters, but I know the concept very clearly, and I have thought a lot about it. I mean, the flow concept and that one about fixed mindset versus growth mindset. Do you know about it? Fixed mindset versus growth mindset. Growth mindset. Constant. Coursera course. Oh, by the author, by that author. You want to do CS50? CS50 is that programming course, right? CS50. Is that the beginner programming course? I don't know. By Stanford? Yeah, I think I have. I don't know. I've not finished it, but I have watched the first few lectures. It's really nice, I think. CS50 course. You mean the course from the author of that book? What's the name of the book? I don't remember. Is it? Yeah, mindset. Introduction to Computer Science. Yeah, I have watched the few lectures. It's really nice. Carol Dweck. Yeah, that one. So yeah, so I was saying that this concept of growth mindset and flow state go hand in hand. Like you can't have, I mean, you can't get into flow if you are, worried about. So if you have a fixed mindset, what does it mean really? I mean, you are focused on the external. I mean, this concept, growth mindset, flow state, and there's this third concept called, I don't know if you have read that book. Don't remember the names. What's the name of that book? Drive, yeah. Drive by Daniel Pink. This book. So, I mean, what he talks about, the concept that he talks about is called self-competitive programming for beginner. Yeah, I will check it out. Self motivation theory, or what is it called? Self-determination theory. Eighth course on Coursera. Yeah, I mean, the course I'm also doing. So this project I'm doing is part of the Coursera course. Nand2Tetris. So this theory, self-determination theory. So this theory, self-determination theory, and growth mindset and flow state. These three ideas are interlinked. Like they all talk about the same things. So, I mean, it's a long. I mean, I have thought about it a lot. I can't just tell you about it in few words. We have to go into it. And when I try to do anything, like any project, I try to push through towards these concepts only. I mean, this is the core thing that I think about in my life. Python, not really much. I mean, I've been using it consistently for since I think since March only. I mean, I out of 10, I don't know, 2 3, not really 5. I don't really know. I mean, there are many libraries. I don't know much of the libraries. I worked so I have worked with NumPy, Pandas. I worked with some machine learning libraries like scikit-learn, some deep learning libraries, and not much, not anything else. Like I have not worked with Pygame yet, which is Py. Where did you learn to? I didn't really learn it, in a usual sense. Not really in a usual sense. Like I just kept on doing projects, and I learned about the libraries that were needed for those projects. So I learned about those libraries because I needed to use pandas and numpys and all those libraries for doing machine learning stuff. So I learned them. I did watch some short crash courses kind of overview of those libraries because they were important libraries. So I learned them that way. And right now what I'm doing doesn't really involve a lot of libraries. It is just basic syntax. Like it involves using of dictionaries and so on. So dictionaries and string manipulation methods and so on. And for that I don't really learn any methods. Just keep the the reference open. So whenever I need it, I just refer it back. And what really has happened is that some of the sure. Tell me, how can I help you? What's the sure? I will help you anyway. You don't have to teach me chess. I was just joking. It depends on what kind of projects you want to work on. So if you want to create, web apps and so on, you will be working with the backend frameworks like Django or Flask. I have not really used those libraries yet, the frameworks. So I can't teach you the libraries because I don't remember them, but I can help you, guide through it because I have learned it a very specific way. That will be fine. Yeah. So right. So you have to select a particular goal. After that you can select. You can't just say that I want to get good at Python. It doesn't make any sense. To get good at Python, you can just read a book on Python, but it won't help you that much unless you are using the language. So the way I see it, that specific goals, the way I see it, that language is just a tool that you use for doing a project, right, towards a particular end. So first of all, before starting to learn, see, that's the usual approach I prefer. Is just today morning only I was watching a crash course on C++ language. So I have not really worked with C++ until now. So this is usually my approach when I want to learn a new language, work with a new language. First I try to watch a crash course on that particular language, and I just 2x through the whole crash course, so that I internalize, not really internalize, I just understand what kind of syntax. Not a specific course. I just searched on YouTube like C++ crash course, and I found this one from this girl Saltina Code Beauty, but it's a long course, around 10 hours, and another was 2 hours long. by this guy named Derek Banas. So I started watching it. I have not completed it, but yeah, I just 2x through the course, and I don't really. Yeah, she is definitely, and she is smart as well. I mean, she's a polyglot, and she's a C++ developer. So yeah, that's really my approach. First, I try to watch a crash course, and after that, I try to select a particular project which uses that language. So to learn Python, here is what I did. I opened up this site, Advent of Code. You can follow this approach. This is a better approach to learn Python. I mean, if you don't have a particular project in mind, you can go through. I think I told you about this website before as well. So this is exactly what I did in March. I think in March, or when exactly, but I just started doing this programming puzzles in Python. So I have the repository as well on my GitHub of all the code that I did in Python. So I started doing all this code puzzles in Python, and that's how I internalize all the string manipulation methods and all of that. And after that, I just started doing this project, Nand2Tetris. No, wait. Parallelly with this, I was also doing the machine learning stuff. So I was learning those libraries as well, NumPy and Pandas. But if you don't want to get into machine learning right now, you can just start with this. But it doesn't matter whichever site you use. I mean, I just use Advent of Code because I found these puzzles good. So that's why I started with this and started doing the code. You can use any other website. I bought a course, 100 hours of code. Yeah, right. I mean, you can do that one also that you told me about. The name, automating the boring stuff with Python. That one is great as well. But when you try to do, when you try to learn that language, don't do a course and try to write the code with it. I mean, it doesn't really help. Yeah, you are all over the place. It doesn't matter. I mean, I have been like that as well. You will find your particular niche. Just keep on exploring. I've been exploring for 4 years. So that's that. Doesn't matter. But yeah, I was saying that don't try to copy and paste the code from these courses. I mean, it doesn't really help that much. You have to write the code by yourself. I mean, just Google stuff out if you don't know anything. Google each and every particular syntax. It doesn't really matter. That's what I really did. Don't feel that you don't know any particular syntax. Just Google it out. It doesn't really matter. And what will happen is that as the time goes, you will memorize implicitly all the code. Like whichever methods are frequently used, you will implicitly memorize them. Yeah, like you won't have to memorize it explicitly. You will keep on using them and it will get into your mind like that. So that's what I yeah, right. Courses are not really that much great for learning unless they they get you into the code by yourself, like this course that I'm doing. Like the code that I'm writing, it's not really given by the instructors. This is all my code. I'm writing it by myself. They have only guided me through the designing stuff, like how to design, like what kind of structure I should use for the project. but not really the meat of the project. So if you want to do a course, try to find this kind of courses, or else just don't waste your time. I mean, you will, get stuck in the tutorial hell. You know what you can do? Try to, so first of all, just try to use Python for those programming puzzles and kind of things, and after that just start a particular project. It doesn't matter what kind. I mean, I will help you through it. I mean, if you get stuck or anything else, I will help you. I mean, I don't really know all the things, but still will help you if you get stuck. Just start doing projects. I mean, that's it. I mean, if you can keep doing the courses as well, it doesn't matter, but also do the practical stuff as well. A whole one Python course to be done. Let me check this course that you sent me. Yeah. The course instructor, you mean? Let me check. My system is running very slowly today. Dr. Angela, you. Yeah, right. This one. Oh, yes, yes. How much hours it is it? 60 hours. Oh, that's a lot of content. Beginner. Hangman. Oh, it also contains object-oriented concepts as well. Working with CSV, it involves pandas as well. Tincture, it's a GUI library. Yeah, this is really nice. I mean, the content is good. Try to do all of these projects by yourself, but yeah, I mean, this course is good as well. I mean, but just don't see the code. Try to implement all of this by yourself. Just walk through a lecture, and when it comes to the coding part, just do all of this project without, checking the code. You have a pet sparrow? No, I don't have a pet sparrow. There's a tree outside my window. There are many sparrows outside. Yeah, you are probably listening to the voice of that sparrow. Yeah, chirping voice. Right outside my window, there's a college right beside my house. But right now it is closed because of Corona. Web development. It covers a lot of libraries, beautiful charts library as well as No, see, PyCharm. Okay, PyCharm, not PyCharm. Web scraping. It covers web scraping, game development, scripting, automation. Beautiful soup. Yeah, these are the scraping libraries. Panda data science libraries, as well as GUI libraries. And yeah, this is the front end part. It has Flask, SQL, SQLite, PostgreSQL. It is very rich in content. Good, good. Blackjack, Snake, Pong. It covers, very wide range of different libraries like web development, data science, and game development, as well as web scraping and all of those libraries. I mean, I have only worked with only, I don't know, maybe just 1% of this stuff. I have not touched the whole of these things. Space. All right, let's see. Push constant and the value, and after that we call string.append character with two self dot writer dot write write call string dot append character to right. So what after that? Append character to this is it. After that we call keyboard dot read int with one variable. No, not one variable, one argument, which is this one. And args. I'm getting confused over here. Mm. Yeah, so the compile expression returns compile expression list. Where is the freaking compile expression list? Compile expression. Here it is. Number of arguments is equal to 0. The next token is not this. Then first expression. Yeah, right. Let's just try to run it. It's not this one. All right, we are pushing constant 18 string not new 1 72 append character 2. Nice. How about this thing? Is this correct? I don't know. Wait. I think this is not correct. I need to check. Yeah, it is correct. So now let's try to compare this. Oh, why would you get stuck? Diff check. Get excel dash I dash b. Yep. Wait up. What's this? Keyboard read int. Yeah. Wait up. Call keyboard read int 1. This one. What's the issue here? Push local 3. What is this? I think it is sum. Push 0, which is A. Whoa, what? Why are they pushing 2 here? 0, 1, 2. I. Hmm? Why would they do this? So they're first pushing 2 and after that they push 0. What I'm doing is first I push 0, then push 2 and add them. I mean, it doesn't matter, it will give the same results. Oh, it's alright. Yeah, so we need to check this now. Let's try to run this program. For that, we need the VM emulator. Wait, no, not this one. Average. What is this supposed to do? Let me check. Do I need to provide any input? Input some numbers and compute the average. Okay. Let's see if this works or not. Oh, nice. How many numbers? 2. Enter a number 2. Nice, 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 nice. It is working. Let's try to run it again. How many numbers? 2 numbers. 1 and 2. The average is 1. Yeah, of course, because of integer division, right? So I think the program is working just fine. Let's get 3, 1, 2, 5. What's the average? 5 plus 3 is 8. Wait, this, yeah, this is correct. 8 divided by 3. That's just 2 was 2 point something. Yeah, so this program is working. And now we have other programs to check. I think we are done with compiler if it works for all of these programs. I don't know, maybe we missed some few points, but test how compiler handles. Yeah, this one is working just fine. Yeah, let's just check the Pong one. This is the difficult, not really difficult, but a complex one. So let's see if this works on Pong. You know what we should do? First, let's get the cd bottom. Bottom, yeah. cp all the no just yeah, cp all the VM files to pod. Okay, now let's get our own compiled files. Well, what happened? What's the issue? Character set ch. Huh. For that we need to check the program. cd pong which check file it is. This one we need to check this first. We can do search for that symbol. What is it? Score. Yeah, let's check where this string constant is. Score. How can we do grep score grep in all the check files? Nice. It is in the pong game.check. Yeah, so let's open up pong game.check. Where is the freaking string? What? Do out print string. Print string. Print string. Yeah, it's this one. So what happened in this case? Oh, because we have 0 in this case and we don't really have a character set for 0, right? Let me check. That's the issue. Oh fuck, I forgot to add the numericals. Let's quickly add those. You know what, I can just write a loop for that. For I in range, what will be the range? 10. 0 to 9. It will give me 0 to 9, right? And before that, let me get num codes. They start from 48. This should be I. And let's convert this I into a string. 0 to 9 and string system. No. And here it should be num C plus I. Nice. This will give us the numeric codes. Let's get the compiled program again. Great, it worked. We got the program, and now, oh, I'm tired of, you know what, we'll test this later on in the next streams tomorrow. So I need to test these two programs, but I think they are going to take some time, so we'll do it tomorrow. And after we are done with this, so I think we are almost done with it, if in case we don't have any bugs. So if the compiler works for both of this program, that means the compiler is almost good. I don't know, maybe there might be edge cases for which this program don't test, but yeah, it doesn't matter. So we'll see later on in the next stream, and I'm going to end this stream here, and I will see you guys in the next stream. Have a nice time. Bye bye.